In this short tutorial, I will show you how to enable the Wi-Fi Low Data Mode on your iPhone. This feature helps reduce the amount of data used by your device when connected to a Wi-Fi network, which can be useful if you have a limited data plan or if you want to conserve data when using your iPhone. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap Wi-Fi. After that, tap on the eye icon next to the Wi-Fi network that you are currently connected to. Once you are on this page, you'll see the Low Data Mode option. To enable Wi-Fi Low Data Mode on your iPhone, simply toggle on this switch over here. Low Data Mode helps reduce your iPhone data usage over your cellular network or specific Wi-Fi networks you select. When Low Data Mode is turned on, automatic updates and background tasks such as photo syncing are paused. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.